Welcome to this introduction on leachables and extractables. In the pharmaceutical and medical device industries, product safety and efficacy are paramount. A critical yet often complex aspect of ensuring this safety involves understanding the potential interactions between a product and its packaging or delivery system. This is where the concepts of extractables and leachables come into play. So what exactly are extractables and leachables? Extractables are compounds that can be forced to migrate from a material under exaggerated conditions, such as extreme solvents, temperatures, or durations. Think of an extractables study as a worst-case scenario experiment. For example, if we were testing a plastic IV bag, we might use a strong solvent like methanol or heat it to 70 degrees Celsius for 24 hours to see what could come out of the plastic. Common extractables include plasticizers like DEHP from PVC, antioxidants such as BHT from polypropylene, or even residual monomers like vinyl chloride from PVC production. Leachables, on the other hand, are compounds that actually migrate from a material into a drug product or medical device under normal conditions of use or storage. These are the compounds the patient is potentially exposed to. For instance, if that same IV bag is filled with a saline solution and stored at room temperature for its shelf life, any substances that migrate into the saline are considered leachables. These could be the same compounds identified in the extractable study, but at lower levels or degradation products formed over time. Another example is a leachable from a rubber stopper in a vial, such as a sulfur-containing compound, migrating into a liquid drug. Extractable leachables can have significant consequences. Toxicity. Leachables may be toxic and pose a direct risk to patient safety. For example, some plasticizers have been shown to have endocrine-disrupting effects, and certain heavy metals can cause organ damage. Product quality. They can interact with the drug or device, compromising its stability, efficacy, or purity. For instance, a leachable could cause a protein drug to aggregate, reducing its effectiveness, or it could react with an active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, leading to the formation of an impurity. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory agencies like the FDA and EMA mandate rigorous testing and control of leachables to ensure product safety. They set limits on the amount of certain leachables that are allowed in a drug product or medical device, and manufacturers must demonstrate that their products meet these requirements.